Welcome aboard. In this video, I'll be introducing you to a new Telegram bot. Let's get started right away. I have introduced many Telegram bots so far. If you want to see these bots, you can visit the playlist on my YouTube channel. I believe that some of the bots in this playlist will play significant roles in the future. Now, let's get to the topic of this video. I want to show you TabiZoo. Unlike bots that require continuous interaction, TabiZoo operates in a much simpler way. All you need to do is tap the claim button once every 8 hours. This way, you will earn points. Additionally, there is a section above where you can check in daily. Press the check-in button and collect your daily reward. Currently, I am at level 2, and if I want, I can use the upgrade button to increase my level. Let's give it a try. There it is. By doing this, I've increased my mining speed from 400 to 600. Below, there are invite and Telegram premium tasks. You can earn extra points by completing these tasks. If you visit the MENA section, you will see different Telegram bots. By visiting these bots, you can earn extra points. Remember, I previously introduced Tionmir to you. In the Earn section, there are additional tasks. By completing these extra tasks, you can increase your points. The Airdrop section is necessary for linking a wallet. I will link my Tionmir wallet here. Telegram bots are quite popular, and I think some of the bots I've described may do well in the future. However, be cautious of Telegram bot scams. Don't trust every bot immediately. I cannot take responsibility for the Telegram bots I describe. You are solely responsible for the work you do, so keep that in mind. Research thoroughly and understand the market. In the future, there could be many different developments in the crypto world. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.